Many organizations rely on Excel password protection to secure important spreadsheets, but built-in password protection alone is often not enough for business-critical systems. Using VBA, Excel can support advanced security controls designed for real business environments. These systems can include user authentication and permission-based access to features. They can also include hidden administrative modules and controlled button-driven workflows. Additional protections may include automated logging and data validation controls. When designed properly, VBA-based security significantly improves data integrity and system control. However, many Excel systems still contain major security weaknesses. These include unprotected VBA code, easily bypassed sheet protection, and hard-coded passwords. Other risks include unrestricted macro execution and poor error handling. Winning Solutions, Inc. designs VBA security systems that are stable, secure, and maintainable long-term. Call 515-239-9900 or visit winningsolutionsinc.com to enhance your Excel database security with structured VBA controls.